Okay, so I'll just give a recap one more time. So the recording is been started. Okay, so today we are going to see with Xpath. Okay, so I told you there are 8 different ways to identify an element. In that, one type is just a second, please. Sindhu, you can't hear me? Okay, sorry for it. So ID, name, class name, link text, partial link text, tag name, or all informations which we will be having for an element. Okay, so when I want to inspect the element, I will just click on this inspect element icon here. Then I'll click on the specific element which I need to look for it. Okay, so inspect it, click on the username text, and then click on the text box here. Understood? So I will click on this element here, then I will get the property information of this element. Okay, so this input is the tag name. Input is the tag name here. Then class, type, value, name. All these things are called as attributes. Okay, text field, text username, all these things are called as attribute values. So tag name is, here it's input, then attributes is the class. Okay, I'll remove this. Okay, let it be. I'll open the paint. So please. Okay, so input is the tag name. What are the attributes means? Class, type, value, then name. These things are attributes. Attribute values are what means? That is what this text field, then the text, then we don't have anything, it's an empty field, so I'll leave it. Then this username. All these informations are called as the attribute values here. That's it. Okay, so I'm going to identify the element based on these fields only. Okay, so how to identify all these things? That's what we are going to see. So if I want to work on with Xpath, I need some specific add-ons to be installed. What are the specific add-ons to be installed for me? Means first I need Firebug, Firepath, Firefinder, then Xpath. Okay, these are the specific add-ons that are needed for me to work on with my Xpath here. Okay, so Xpath, we have two things: Xpath Checker. Another one is Xpath Finder. These are the two things. Okay, so we'll see how to install. If I want to install, first I need to open the Firefox window, click on the Alt button, go to Tools, Add-ons. Okay, so here just check Xpath Checker. You will be getting like this in the available add-ons. Click on Install. In case if you are not getting these add-ons, just in Firefox window, browse for Xpath checker. Okay, just browse here in Google. Okay, you will get the first icon. Click on it. Click on add to Firefox. And then click on allow and install. Okay, click on allow and then install over there. Then it will ask you to restart the Firefox browser. Restart, it will ask. So if you click on restart, it will close and open the Firefox window. Then after that, we need Firebug, Firefinder, Firepath. Install all these add-ons here. Okay, so to install all these add-ons, I already have a document for you, which I'll forward to you guys. Okay, actually, I'm gonna take the basics of Xpath only for today. Okay, the detail-oriented Xpath again we will be seeing when we come to our class. Okay, so you no need to worry about that. Okay, so now we'll see. Here I have given how to install Selenium Ide, WebDriver, Xpath, everything. So you can just go a little bit down. You can see how to install the Firebug. Open the Firefox browser, go to Tools, Add-ons, and then you can see this icon. Search for the Firebug. Then you can see the icon. Click on Install button. Then finally click on the Restart Now. Same thing for Firepath, and then after that for the Firefinder, then for the Xpath. And then I'll also mentioned over here how you can confirm that actually what that specific add-on has been installed also. So to confirm that, right click on the browser, you can see inspect element with Firebug. That means Firebug is installed. Inspect in Firepath means Firepath is installed. Firefind element, Firefinder is installed. View Xpath checker is also installed. This is the place where you can confirm all the add-ons have been installed here. Okay. Xpath Finder will be there. Xpath checker will not be there sometimes. So that's why I asked you to Google and get the Xpath checker. Okay. So then next. So now we'll work on with Xpath here. So this is my Xpath here. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just mouse over. Can you see when I mouse over each and every tag, it's going to highlight some information there in my UI. Can you see? So what is there? So table is my tag. Okay, that table is holding my username text and then the text box and then the password text and then the password text box. So if I open the table tag, what's happening? So it's a table. Okay, if I open the table tag, it's having a child called T body. Why I'm calling it as a child means, can you see? For the table and then the T body, there is some little space over here. So that's why this is a child of this table tag. Then when I open the T body, it is having two TR tags. See, table tag starts and then it finishes here. T body starts and then finishes here. In between, any informations are there. Those things are called as the childrens of that tag. Then if I open, what is the relationship between these two TR tags? Means they are brothers and sisters. They are called as siblings. Okay. When I open the TR tag, again, it is having two children, TD and TD. The relationship between these two TD is siblings. Then when I open this TD tag, it is having a input tag children. This TR tag, again, it has two TD tags, and then this has one input tag. Okay, so each and every tag will have its own specific property. Okay, sometimes they might not have the specific property which we are looking. So that point of time only we will go with help of the Xpath by finding the relationship and then getting the information. That's what. Here it is. So now I'll go. Do we have similar tools for other browsers? So in Chrome level, we don't have any tools. So if you want to work on with your Xpath, what you have to do means you have to open the console. So right click, inspect. Okay, so go to the console here. Sorry, just a second. There is one place I can write here. Okay, yeah, here only. So I need to give like this dollar. Then after that, XPath is what I'm going to write. So X. Then open the parentheses. Then after that, give your XPath expression in between this double quotes. Okay, so for example, I want to find the XPath of this input box means. So it has name is equal to username is there. Okay, so I'll take that. I'll take this. I'll go to the console. I need to give here like this. So XPath starts with always double forward slash, double forward slash. What is the tag name? Input. Input was the tag name. Can you see? See, input was the tag name. It is having a attribute called name equal to username. Okay. So input. So input when I give over there, when I click on enter, can you see it's giving me 12 matches? That's what it's giving me, 12 matches. And what are the different matches? It's what it's showing for me here. So, okay, these are the specific matches over here. So again, I'll just give. If I press up arrow, again the previous XPath which I generated that will come. Then if I want to give any property information, I need to open the square brace. Then I need to give at the rate. Okay, attribute always should be represented with at the rate symbol. Then name equal to, in single quote, give the value username. Close the braces. Then when you click on enter, can you see now it's perfectly only one match here. Input.txt. That's clear. This is how I can get the information. Understood? So compared in Firefox, it's always easier for you. If you see when I mouse over, it will highlight, and then if there is an option called Firepath here, the same thing I can try over here. I can select XPath, then same information, double forward slash input at the rate name equal to username. So give an enter. Here it will highlight, but same information you cannot expect in Selenium. Okay, that is actually not that is not possible in what's it, Google Chrome. That's a limitation. That's why everyone we try to go with the Firefox over there. So for user friendliness. Clear? That answers your question, Venkat. Clear now? Good. Yeah. Sidhu, you are able to hear me now? Are you able to hear me now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So now we have the XPath here. So now what I will do, okay. So I already told you, if you want to open the XPath window, we have here view XPath. Click on that. I opened it. Always XPath should start with an expression, starts with actually what, double forward slash and then the tag name. So what's my tag name here? For example, if I want to get this information, that text information, okay, I'll inspect it. So I'll go to the HTML. Click it. So what's the tag name here? It is TD. So I need to give TD. Then you see 57 matches are there here. Okay, so then it has a property here. V align is equal to middle. So I'll try to give this. I'll copy. Always in Xpath, if you want to give any property information, open the square brace and then attribute means you have to start with @ symbol. V align equal to middle. Now can you see 8 matches are there. So what are the 8 matches means? So if I come to Firepath, then if I just give, it gives me what are the 8 matches. See, this is the one match, second match, third match, fourth match, and then again some hidden informations are also there, which is not representing the UI. Some information also is there. I can also use with the help of the Firefinder also to get my information. This also will help me to highlight. Okay, so Firepath will help me to get the Xpath expression. So for example, when I inspect, when I click on it, it helps me to get the Xpath information. Okay, Firefinder, what it will do means when I paste some Xpath expression, it will help me to highlight the element in the UI. Okay, that's the difference between the Firepath and then Firefinder. Firefinder helps you to get the Xpath expression. Firefinder will help you to highlight the UI element which matches with the Xpath expression. That's what. Okay, Firefinder helps you to highlight the element when I paste the Xpath. That's what it is. Clear? Now, I'll go here. So now if you see there are 8 matches. So, but I'll try to go with some specific property. So, do we have any other property information here? So, VLN is equal to middle, class equal to Firefinder match. Okay, so VLN equal to middle. Then it has a text information, username. So, why I'm calling it as a text means, so if I take this information, see, TD is a tag name, VLN is equal to middle, then you can see this Xpath, it starts and finishes here and then it closes here. Okay, in between we have some information which does not have any attribute. Okay, username is what. So this informations are called as text here. Okay, so if I want to represent the text in the Xpath, I need to give in this way. So // TD is the tag name. TD is the tag name. Open the square brace. Give here text function is equal to, in single quote, give it as username. Okay, it's case sensitive. Make sure you copy paste and give it properly for anything in Xpath. See, now perfectly it's one match here. Always text information should be given as text parenthesis and then give the value of it. That's the thing. Okay, so now again in Firefinder, see, yes, now it's matching properly for me. Okay, this is how we get the information. Okay, so now we'll do the same thing here. So what I will do right now, I will just copy the entire HTML tag of this table. So in order how to write the Xpath tree structure. I copied the HTML tag and then I'm just going to str. So this is one. So I'll just give different colors. So this is how I given. So I'll just move these things a little bit here so that it will be easy for us. Okay. So now you can see table is a tag which has a child here called T body. Can you see this is there is a space here. For the T body, it has two TR tags. So these are all in the same line. Okay. Then the TR tag has two childs, which is a TD, two TD tags. Then the second TD is having a child here called input. So how to draw the tree structure for that means? So first, we'll take the table. The table has a child called T body. T body. Then it has two childs, one TR, the second TR. So I'll take these two are TR information. Then the first TR has two TD tags. One, two, three, and four. Okay. Then the first TD has, sorry, the second TD has an input tag as a child. That's all. This is what the tree structure. So I'll draw the lines for it. It's my input tag. Okay, so this is how we draw the tree structure. So in order to make it easy, so then I'll just give the property information of each and everything. So classes, text fields for this, text fields for this. Then this tr does not have any property. This first td, it has a text information, username. So copy that, the username. Then the second tr tag does not have. Sorry, this belongs to this td. Okay. Then second td we align middle, which is not that much important property. Then this input tag as name is username. That's what it has. Then the next, this td as this information. Then this input tag as name equal to pwd. This is what their properties. Okay, so based on this, actually what we are going to write our XPath expression. Okay, clear guys? So now I'll write. So first, so if I want to get the property information, so how I will get means. So if I give // table as my tag name, okay, then after that, if I give here the property information means I need to give open the square brace. Okay, class is an attribute. Attributes always should be followed with @ symbol. Class equal to, then what is there? It is text fields table. So text fields table. Make sure it's case sensitive. Small letter, capital letters should be followed properly. Now, what will be the output for this expression means? Okay, the output of this expression will be the entire output. Okay, the entire section will be the output for it. This is what will be the output. The same thing in the UI level when I see for this table, what's this entire output is this entire, can you see this section? So I'll copy that also. This will be my entire output. This will be the output for this. Clear? Anyone has any questions so far? So from this table tag, okay, so in case if I want to give only the input name is username, so what will be the output for that also we'll see. // input, then @ name equal to username. So for this, what will be my output means? Okay, so my output will be only this tag information. This tag information, and then it matches with which element? This username text box alone. So this alone will be the output. Same thing if I give with the text information. So what is that? That's a td tag. // Then if I give text function is equal to then username. Okay. So for this, my output will be this one. That is this username text. That's what. Okay. This is what my output. So in case from the parent level to the child level, if I want to come, so what I need to do, so from a parent to a child, if I want to come, so for that I need to use /. Same thing from a child to parent, if I want to go, I need to use square braces. Okay, how? So for example, now I want to come from the parent to the child. So how I can do for that? So I will just I'll copy this. So from the parent to the child, if I want to come, so how I can give is // table is my tag name. Okay, table, and then if I want, I can give the property information @class equal to text fields table. Otherwise, /tbody/tr. Okay, see, from the input tag is what I want to come. So I will come table tbody, then we have this tr, then we have this td, then input tag. Okay, so we'll do one by one. Before we saw for the table, what will be my output? Then if I give table tbody, what will be my output means this section will be the output. This will be the output. UI level, still it will be the same. Same thing if I give table tbody and then tr, /table/tbody/tr when I give. So when I give tr, this is also tr, this is also tr. So that means for me it will be matching both. One is this tr tag, another one is this tr tag. So I can directly take from here, as of now already is minimized, so I'll just take here. Totally 2 outputs for me. Then another one is this one. These both I'll be getting it as an output. So 2 outputs. So that is UI level. If you see this username text box and then the password text box, these 2 will be the output. So totally 2 outputs I will be getting it. Clear up? Next, if I give, so as of now I'll just give like this. So from administration, so this is one output. This is my one more output. Now if I give /table/tbody/tr/td, if I give, okay, now how many outputs I will be getting means I'll be getting 4 outputs, because this is also td tag, this is also td tag, this is also td, this is also td. 4 outputs I will get. So these 4, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So in the UI level, if you see, one is I will be getting it for the username text, then I will get for the username text box, then I will get for the password text, and then the password text box. These 4 I will be getting it as an output. That is what this is, represent the username text box, password text box. Okay, totally 4 outputs I will get. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Clear? Then after that, if I give same information, I'll just copy. After the TD, if I'm going to give here input. So now how many output will be there for me? Now how many output? So for this, now it will be two outputs, this one and this one. If I want specifically this information, I need to give the property information of that input tag. @name equal to username. That's it. So for this, my output will be what? This input tag alone. Okay, that's what I'll take it from here. Okay, so for that, the output will be this username text alone, text box alone. Clear, guys? So just give me in the chat windows yes if everyone has understood it. Please give me the chat windows yes if you have understood. Or if I'm going fast also, please let me know, guys. Okay, cool. So now we got this section. Okay, so this is how I can come from the parent to the child using the /. Same thing, if I want to come from the child to the parent, I need to use the square brace. So how means? So if I give input tag alone, /. Okay, so this is still now what we have seen right now is parent to child concept. Okay. So this one I'll just give it as Xpath with properties. I'll just give parent to child. I'll just give it. If you want to come from the child to the parent, Xpath child to parent. If you want to come, how you can come? That's what we're going to see. So I'll move this little bit down. So I'll take this input tag from here. I'll go. So // input @name equal to username. When I give like this, so what will be my output here? That will be this input tag. So I'll take it from here directly. So which we have written here. Okay, this is what. So the tag will be this input tag, and then the UI element for that is the text box. This is what we'll do. So from here, if I want to go to the parent here, so from the input tag, if I want, I can go to the TD tag. So here, I'll go like this. So // input @name equal to username again. So for this, I'll be getting how many output? One output. So now if I want to go to the parent, that is from this input tag, I want to go to the parent, I need to give before the input tag td and then give the square braces here. That's it. So now how many output will be there? This td will be the output for me. That's the thing. Okay, see here. I'll go here. If I give // input @name equal to username. One match. If I give before this input tag, the td tag, you will get one match here. So what does that match means? I'll copy, go to the fire path, I'll paste it. Can you see? This is the td tag. It's matching. Clear? So that's what we got there. So my output will be this td information. That's what. If I go a little bit down, this entire information. So my output will be still the text box only for me. I got it. Okay, so from there, if I want to go to the tr tag, before this I need to give tr, that's the only thing. So I just copy and then paste the same thing. The only thing is what I need to give here is before this I need to give tr. Open the square brace. Close it here. Okay, so for this my output will be what? This entire tr tag. Okay, that's what we will get. So for that, this is what my output. So for this, what it matches me the username text and the this one. Okay, so this is what my output. This will be the output. From there, if I want to go to the t body and then table means what I need to do. So simple. I'll take the same thing. Before this, I just need to give. So table and then t body is there. Huh? So I'll just give table, open the square brace, t body, open the square brace. I'll give it here. Then two square braces I need to close. That's it. Right. So now what will be the output? This entire table information will be the output for this. So UI level, if you see, I will get the entire this username text, the password, everything. This will be the output. Clear? This is how we have to come from the child to the parent. Understood? Anyone has any questions, guys? Everyone understood this part? Anyone has any questions? Clear for everyone now? Okay, so from the parent to the child, I can also come in approximate level also. I can directly jump. So instead of coming from table, t body, tr, td, input like that, I can also give in this way. So how means? So directly I can just give /table. Then I want the input tag. Directly I can just give /input @name equal to username. This is also possible. Okay, so directly, that is actually find the approximate child who matches with an input tag with having a value called input name equal to username. This is what. So for this one, what will be my output means? My output will be this information. For that, the username text box alone will be my output. That's what this one. I can give like this. Also, we have another option. What we have to do means we can use a descendant /table. Okay, then I can give /descendant : then the tag name which I need to jump here from all leaving this input @name equal to username I can give. Okay, so for this also my output will be same. This is the thing. Clear? So I'll just give this. So this is finding the approximate child. Finding the approximate child here. So for this, I can use the descendant also. Descendant I can use. Okay, same thing. We have to find approximate parent. So how? So for that, ancestor, the name itself says find the grandparents. Ancestor. Okay, so how I can give it? So from the child to the parent, how we went, that is actually what, giving these square braces. Same thing I can write like this: /input @name equal to username, then /ancestor : then I can give table. If I want to give the property for that, I can also give @class equal to text fields table. I can give like this. Okay, this is also is possible. This is the thing. So for this, my output will be what? My entire table information. My entire table information will be the output. This will be the output for this. So I will be getting the entire UI level, username text box, password text box, everything I'll be getting. That's it. Clear for everyone? Anyone has any questions on this?
Only when do we do double forward slash or a single forward?
That is // means what? Getting an approximate cell. See, right now from this table tag directly I came to the input tag. For that // otherwise I can give descendant. Getting? // means immediate child. From the table, if I want to come to T-body, I will give // then // so that's what we have done here. Clear, Venkat?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Anyone has any questions so far, guys? Okay, so with this I will stop it for today. Okay, you can just go to YouTube and then just browse for Xpath Basics to Advanced. If you want to learn more, just give your Xpath Basics to Advanced here. Okay, so you can see the first video of mine. The same information what we have seen right now, na? So I have given that information here. Okay, so everything you can get it from there. Okay, you can see it in a detailed manner here. Okay, from Monday onwards we will start with the Java. Okay.
Murali,
Yeah, tell me.
do you have a few minutes after this call? Can I call you?
Yeah, sure, you can call me.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, yes, thanks, guys. Thank you.
Murali, I have a question.
Yeah, please tell me.
I just joined this today. So can you tell me how long is the course duration?
The total duration will be for 2 months.
Oh, okay.
Total duration will be for 2 months. So it's every day 7 to 8:15 AM of Indian Standard Time. So it's a demo session today. So that's why I took for 1 hour. Usually it will be like 1 hour 15 minutes or 1 hour 10 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions from anyone, please? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. We'll again see you on Monday.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks.